Hello everyone, my name is Bhupender Rawat and I'm here to teach you Power BI. But before starting Power BI, I want to tell you one thing that we are going to learn Power BI from scratch level, or you can say we are going to teach you Power BI from zero level. Why I'm saying this? Because if you do not have any technical background, or you do not have any knowledge about Excel or its function, then it's okay. You don't need to worry because I'm here to give you training from scratch level or zero level. Here are the topics which I will cover during this course. We will start with introduction. In our introduction part, we will see what is data, what is BI terminology, what is Power BI, and what are the different components or building blocks are available in Power BI. Once we complete our introduction part, we will see how can we install Power BI in our system. Once we have installed Power BI in our desktop or in our system, then we will see how can we load data into Power BI. Most of the time we will use Excel file, but I will also tell you how to upload data from SQL. Once we have uploaded the data, we will do some changes, or we will do some transformation, or you can say we will clean our data, and all this transformation, all these changes we will do in our Power Query editor. And now you will ask, what is Power Query editor? In short, you can say Power Query editor is a ETL tool where you will extract or extract, transform and load data into Power BI. So if you have to do any changes, if you have to do clean your data, you will always use Power Query editor. Once you have completed the transformation part, then we will see what is data modeling, what are the different types of tables available in Power BI, and how can we create relationship between them. Once we have completed our data modeling part, we will see what is schema, what are the different types of relationship are available in Power BI. Once we have completed the relationship part, we will see what are the different types of visuals are available in Power BI and how we will use them. We will learn all these visual now one by one. Once we have completed the visual part, then we will create our first report. In our first report, we are not going to use DAX function. We will create a simple report. Once we have completed our first report, then we will learn what is DAX, how can we create DAX function in Power BI, and what are the different types of DAX function are available in Power BI. Once we complete, and we will learn all these DAX function one by one. Once we complete DAX function, then we will create another report, or you can say we will create a second report, but this time we will use DAX function in our report. After creating the report, now we will learn how to publish the report. Publishing the report means how can we share report with our seniors or with our managers. Once we will learn how to publish, then we will see what is PBIX, what is PBIT, and what is the difference between both these two terminology. Once we have all the knowledge about PBX and PBIT, then we have some small function available in Power BI, but they are the most important and most powerful function which we will use in our reports or dashboard. First is drill down, or you can say drill through. We will see how can we use drill down function in our report. Then second is filter, how what are the different types of filters are available in Power BI and how can we use them. Then we have custom visual. We will see how can we add custom visual in our Power BI. After completing the custom visual part, we will see how can we do conditional formatting in our reports or in our data. Once we complete all this topic now, you will be able to work in Power BI, because I have cleared you all the fundamentals of Power BI. And after completion of this topic, we will also create a project, and for the project I will provide you data, or if you have your own data now, we can also create project on your data also. So if you have any query or any doubts, you can connect with me. As of now, bye bye.